Hello, we're back with more Minecraft stuff. You know my Minecraft stuff. We did a warden and a villager and various other things as well. Today is an allay. This is going to be very much my allay. It's not going to look a lot like an allay in the game. It's my cartoony version of what, if it was properly cartooned up, this is what an allay would look like. So I'm going to make him fun. I think an allay needs this big, long, droopy arm, like he's just sort of flying along, but he's like, I can't be bothered to pick up his arms. Obviously, if you are a Minecraft gamer, you know what an allay is. It's a small, flying, wisp-like passive mob, which collects and delivers items depending on what you give it. It can be a very useful little friend, and I think my guy here is gonna not be so useful. He looks lazy. Allays have weird, kind of spindly, kind of twiggy wings, but mine I'm gonna make a little bit more chunky. Chunky wings. Chunky wings. Now I'm pretty happy with that. Now there's just that back arm there that's just much too low. I wonder if that's going to annoy me. Yeah, it did. It did annoy me. On to the outlines! Now tell me, I know I've said this before, I think outlines is the most boring bit of these videos. Is it? I mean, I quite like the chunky black lines going on, but if you really want me to speed this bit up or get rid of it, then let me know, because I think it is quite dull. It's not the pencil drawings coming to life or the colours, which are really more fun. And I'm not sure how entertaining this bit is. This bit is the most fun. We just get to use really cool blue colours and gradiate it. Make it look really cool. I love this kind of drip effect. So I'm going to put that all down him, getting lighter and lighter as we go. Because if you look at the LA, he's got this kind of effect going on. He's got a kind of an ombre, so darker at the bottom and getting lighter at the top. And then there's a kind of white bit that kind of frames its face right at the top. So that's really good fun. I love this. Almost there. We're almost there. There's just a few shadows, and I think we're done. Oh wait, little twinkle in the eye. Yeah, that's it. See you next time.